It's amazing to be in the kitchen with you guys today. It is fantastic. I do love you so much, and that's why I want to give you this recipe. I know you guys are going to love this because it's just an amazing, you know, I'm always giving you different kind of recipes, you know it. I give you some of the most beautiful recipe for you guys to make at home. I'm always have to give back something to you because guys, you love me so much and I love you too. And you know what I mean, I give you juice, I give you meat-free Monday and all different kind of healthy recipe for you to work with at home to look after yourself. Every night we do normally do a healthy tea recipe, so stay tuned in with this beautiful and an amazing healthy tea recipe we've been doing every other night. We do high blood pressure, you name it. So do not miss this one, and just remember also we are here to fill some of the gap with you guys. So if you missed the videos, remember the video right there, you guys can watch, and stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for all of that beautiful love. And now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna deliver on an amazing recipe to you for you to make at home. So stay tuned in and let's do this together. Okay, so we're going to make a beautiful, healthy oats porridge this morning. Now you can have it for dinner, you can have it for lunch, you can have it for breakfast. We got oats, blueberry, strawberry, and raspberry, and we got some nuts and almond milk. I'm gonna walk you through the process and show you how you can make this at home. Now, everybody make it different, so we're going to be adding a few ingredients extra to it, like some spices and things, bring up the flavor. But this is a very healthy meal you can have for breakfast in the morning. Also, give you a lot of energy and help you to make your tummy fill. That means you're having a good day at home or at work, a good vibes. Stay tuned in, we're gonna show you how to make it. That's the almond milk, 25 liter. So that's roughly probably about almost a cup of milk right there. So a good vibes. All right, now what we're gonna do, cinnamon. We're gonna put a pinch of cinnamon inside of it. That's a little pinch. Cinnamon works really well in weight loss and a lot more things as it goes on. We got mixed spice. You can put a little pinch of mixed spice in it. We're gonna just spice it up a little bit, bring a lovely flavor to it. Jamaican nutmeg. Nutmeg is good for circles and pain. Also, lots of people don't know that. That's a pinch inside of it. Good vibes, people. As I said, it's, you know what I mean, it's just amazing to know what you can use natural things at home and do. All right, you don't have to wake up in the morning and eat first thing bacon. All right, and that's what we are talking about this morning. So what we're gonna do, we're going to put some oats in it. Don't go to the supermarket and buy the one for £2.50 where you get a lots in it and a base sugar, and you put it in the microwave and it's ready in 2 seconds. Don't buy that one. Get good organic oats. You can get that in the health shop. We're gonna put 1, 2, 3, roughly about 4 tablespoons of oats right here. All right, lovely. So you can know when it's organic oats, the grain them look different. All right. So you can see that. So we're just gonna make this cook for a few minutes and then we are good to go. So this is what you can eat like on a Saturday morning. A lot of people not going to work, so they're intent, you know what I mean. So turn off the cooker now, and as you can see, that's how it look right there. All right, guys, look how easy. Very, very easy. Nice. All right, just like that. Lots of fiber inside of this area. Very good health for you. So we turn off the cooker. All right, we're going to shear it up. Lovely and nice. Yep, remove it from the cooker. What we're gonna do, so as you can see, this is how it look. Beautiful and nice. Now what you want to do, get some of your strawberry and put them inside of the bottom of your bowl, and get a few of the raspberry and put them inside of it. All right, just like that. We'll look a bit of the nuts also. All right, beautiful. Now the raspberry, because you have to be careful of the blueberry, because when they get hot, heat catch them, they're puffed up, you know what I mean? But trust me, very beautiful little meal right here. So we're gonna pour this on top of it, just like that. Good vibes, people. Trust me, this is an excellent little breakfast for you. And now put some of this on top of it like this. Strawberry again. Trust me, you make this for your husband, he will never leave you. Yeah. Raspberry. This is raspberry, very good for you. And then we got some more of the blueberry on top of it. Alright, then we got some chopped nuts. If you're allergic to nuts, don't put this on it. Alright, if you're allergic to it. In the nuts, we got all different kind of nuts inside of it. We got, you can see, walnuts, almond, you know what I mean? Yeah. Then what you want to do with this now, get this, the beautiful cinnamon powder, and there's a dash of cinnamon on top of it like this. Yeah, you see that? Yeah, you make this and give your husband, he never leave you. Or you make that and give your girlfriend, he never leave you. So that's what I'm talking about. You can make something very healthy in the morning for breakfast. And this, what this gonna do is gonna fill you, and you're gonna be feeling really good for the rest of the day. Honestly, try this at home and tell me exactly out of the bacon and the bagel and the white hard bread and fried egg and fried plantain, which one is more healthier? Let me know. Leave your comments, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. So you can have this for breakfast or dinner or even lunch. Trust me, it's worth it, guys, as you can see it for yourself. All right, a good vibes, people. So leave your comments.